put you on picking everybody for me. After I go wine and come back for that baby. Wrong body.
Put it in knife and put it on knife front.
Push it baby in your soul.
We are gonna know.
I feel it. Zip me up.
We are gonna know.
Me I go back to the baby father. Me I give him back in jacket.
Nico again. You know, mash up your life with you.
My brother Nico not no style.
So it's okay.
My brother looking at me cup. You know how much beer now I drink nothing, my pearl?
You know, can't nothing for me drinking like cup. No liquor spliff, me no.
My pearl the other day, me give you back juice. You make gunman come on me and come knock on me door. Me not give you nothing, my pearl. Me not like your style. You want Gwen say she not rate you, my pearl, so me carry her if you done it. Cause you know we not hypocrite. Tell her your mind, Gwen, cause we not like her carry on, Gwen. Tell her your mind. Stop be nice, my pearl, and make Gwen talk. I don't like your style.
My glasses, me I go put down.
Do what she go.
Where she says she a go do.
Yo, we need to find things because you're watching.
Don't find anything.
Come now, Gwen. Gwen, how you move, Gwen? You know, so when we start laughing, we can't stop in us. The ball we start laughing. I'm just going, my friend, have to care up here. Don't worry about the part still, but she's not afraid of you. What you do, Gwen?
Me must have take him, man.
You can't take my man.
So when you want
You
to
can't take my man.
you want to fight me.
Done you.
Wait there.
Keep where you stick and down you.
Let me put it down.
Oi, oi, oi.
Let's go with your
Back
belly.
up, my pearl, back up.
Let me fight.
But you know,
What
an
she
election.
say I go do?
An election, PNP, JLP time, this thing on my pearl.
Excuse me. What you say I go do, girl?
That's
Me
fine,
a
no?
done you.
Done me. Cut me back, brad. Done me. Done me, girl. Done me.
Yo, your body a fuck. Him body a fuck. Him body a fuck.
Brother.
Lick him, Gwen, you afraid?
When Charlie, me a when me turn me back. So when Charlie.
Now let me lick you that's so Gwen.
Ooh, I want this. Aisha, you always come out, no babes, you can't come in and eat. Go on, Go on with Gwen, baby. Go on. Come, Natara.
Come.
Jano, me tell us I'm here hot, you know.
You can't have one or two or kitty guys on the phone.
Yeah, man, kitty bad, man,
That's
kitty
why they
bad.
always laugh. You guys funny.
Him body
Can't tell they have babes, no?
So, you over there, so. You say I don't get road in a back, is a way there. Oh, yeah, say, So when he go there, with the 14 picking them up a yard.
No.
You know, put off your... Hey, look here now. Cut the... Hey, girl, go take out the boy out of the house.
That now go up, my girl.
So all you have him up there do a breed.
Little princess wants cornflakes.
Move him them not on in the kitchen. And one.
These cliff bad.
You know, put out the dirty boy out of the house. So you have him up there breed.
Why you don't come out tell the people
I
in
mean,
business?
tell her. I mean, you want Nicolic. I mean, you want Nicolic.
Yeah, come take the lick here.
Miss, I me go
But you are lick here.
I can't tell me this on the thick and pussy the face with it.
So come now, my pearl, along. Can me tell you something? Me go beat the boy, my pearl. I mean, you going to a trip. I want to murder that. Come in.
Back no feel good, girl.
You want to fight when do you say you're nasty, nigga?
Me will fight Gwen, cause Gwen now lick me dog.
Yo,
When
we
I
know.
bread.
Punch a button. I we know.
Gwen and me bread tree.
We got bad girl for a long time. You ain't know.
Gwen now go in me cause she say all back your owl.
You must swear if you tell her my pearl.
Lord Jesus, we have me turn up straight there on the old back here.
You remember when me did come to you one time, go and tell us, you see? Me up a yard and here when somebody come and want park, come and tell one story, say how. He there down your road and hear somebody say, the man will go up a KFC. Go drop down in front of KFC, my pearl. Because he want tricking.
And he call.
I'm going, my pearl. I'm going drop down up a KFC to show her chicken.
Put no coffee side for call.
There we go, boy.
Where I get the phone?
Where we going orange?
Orange, we get a little water. One cup of water.
When people say she not get chicken.
Sugar in it.
One orange and one cup of water.
Me I'm gonna drop down and when they me say me and I plan to drop down up a pizza, but then no. But then I'm gonna say give me a little salt water. I don't want it.
We jack.
Man, you kill the tree picking in your belly when you want in your vagina.
When you let me go give back the belly, if you
Me
want
no
to
want
feel
it. It make me back hot, me eat me on night. It bring it all with me.
you can hold the belly for me, my friend, for me come back, man. I'm more first strong. Me have one foot in my friend. Me have been a 3 old foot. So my friend, you know, let me when I'm on them, we are on about there.
Oh girl, they can't share.
So you wanna do it so much, man?
Me accept man the hard part of my body.
Me have a big burn need for and text my dear.
No, I don't want it, no. Me
No, I need
take
go.
one of my pearl, man. I don't want it, go.
My friend had 3 and 1.
My
My girl is young.
man them no washing, no. My man them a hot boy, hands down your stuff. So you have to get wine pan it, so.
Everything me can do on it.
Hey, look at no. Me go and leave you, no, cause me not take the belly.
Where up for hold on.
You not pay no rent to tell it.
No come, hold on, bring your pay me, my friend. Hold him on, come. When come before my friend, you back here, you come.